What's up, everybody? It's Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video. And today we are going to look at the finished product of the Mach 1 Mustang show car. Yeah, I know some of you were hating on the finish. Today you're gonna see that your boy ain't no punk. All right, you know the drill, it's getting late, I'm out. So first we're gonna go over the design. We went with that sky blue, supposed to be a reflection of chrome. Accurate Mustang emblem, Mach 1, accurate emblem type or font with the little glints. I think the glints make all the difference in the world. That metal flake really looked nice. Again, this is not the very finished product, but it's right before it. Heartless is the name of the car. That heart looks, I think it looks great. Tell me what you think in the comments. Ask me a question. I'll answer it. And yeah, that's not the finish. Here comes the finish. Ready? Here it is. The boy's gleaming. Metal flake, medium metal flake, over black. Again, here's the finished product. I love it. The customer loves it. Hopefully you love it. Please like and subscribe. All right, I'm out.